Hello guys, this is Mohammad Rafiq with you. Did you know that Windows is secretly creating junk files on these 3 folders since you installed Windows on your PC? In these 3 folders, thousands of useless files Windows never tells you that it is there behind. Whenever you open any files, Windows will automatically create it behind this secretly. Here's how to find all the 3 folders and wipe them clean in under minutes. For this, no need any paid tools or any paid softwares. Without further delay, let's get it started. First folder, Prefetch. What is this folder and for what purpose this folder created? Every time you open an app, Windows automatically creates a small tracking file. And these files are called prefetch files. And these files saved in the hidden folder called prefetch. What's the logic? Use that file to preload the app faster next time. Nice idea. Until the app gets uninstalled. Because that prefetch file still be there, completely useless. Windows never removes it. And the next folders are temporary folders. What is this folder and for what purpose this folder created? Every installer you run, every update, every software process, Windows will create temporary scratch files and dumps into 2 different temp folders. Those files are supposed to auto-delete when the job is done, most of them don't. Okay, let's go and clean these junk folders right now. Alright, let's jump into it. Folder 1, Prefetch folder. Press Windows plus R key together. Here, type prefetch, hit enter. Now, Windows will ask for administrator permission, click on Continue. This will open Prefetch folder under C drive and Windows folders. Here you can see hundreds of prefetch files. Now it may be very less in size, but time goes it will grow up and it will take more space your hard disk. Before delete anything, just right click here and check what's the size it takes. Mine's looks very small in size, only 11 MB. Comment below what's yours. Now, press Ctrl plus A to select everything, then press Shift plus Delete. This will delete all these temporary files permanently from your computer. Maybe some files will refuse to delete, no worries. Just skip those files, let everything else go. Folder 2, User Temp folder. Now, the folder that usually holds most accumulated junk, your personal temp folder. Open Run again. Press Windows plus R key together. Here, type %temp%. Hit enter. This will open personal temp folder automatically. This folder is located under your user folder and app data and local and temp folders. Here you can see thousands of temp files. Look at what's in here. Every installer that crashed halfway through, every update that failed, every app that closed unexpectedly, none of them cleaned up after themselves. All of it is still right here. That hasn't been cleaned in a year or 2, this folder alone can be holding gigabytes of files serving zero purpose. Now, here I will just check for the size. It is showing nearly 97 MB space taken. It might be I cleared this temp folder recently. Comment below what's yours. Now, press Ctrl plus A to select everything, then press Shift plus Delete. This will delete all these temporary files permanently from your computer. Maybe some files will refuse to delete, no worries. Just skip those files, let everything else go. Folder 2, System Temp folder. One more location, the system-wide temp folder that Windows itself uses, separate from your personal user temp folder. Open Run again. Press Windows plus R key together. Here, type temp, hit enter. This will open temp folder under C drive and Windows folders. Here you can see hundreds of temp files. If I check the size, it shows 231 MB in size. Comment below what's yours. Now, press Ctrl plus A to select everything, then press Shift plus Delete. This will delete all these temporary files permanently from your computer. Maybe some files will refuse to delete, no worries. Just skip those files, let everything else go. Now, all the 3 junk folders are cleaned. This way you will save some more spaces on your PC. No paid cleaners, no downloads, no risk. It's free. That's all guys. If this video helpful, hit like and share and subscribe for more.